Good evening, friends. For the today's function organized by the Goenka Oncologist Association to create the awareness on the cancer on the occasion of the World Cancer Day. Along with me, my colleague, Health Minister Vishwajit Rane, Dr. Anil D'Cruz, Dr. Shekhar Sarkar, and the rest all the esteemed doctors present here, and friends from the media. It is a pleasure to be here today in presence of the many eminent personality who dedicates the battle for the cancer in the state and internationally. We have seen over the last few years the status of the cancer in our state is very different from the rest of the country. The cases occurrence in the Goa is similar to that of the Western world. The breast and colon cancer is higher than the national average, where the cancers like that of the cervix are relatively rare. This could be due to the many factors like the lifestyle of the people, unhealthy food habits, the late pregnancy, etc., compared to the rest of the country. But it is also an indicator of the good penetration of the healthcare and screening facilities in the state. This has been made possible thanks for the efforts of both the public sectors and private sectors. It is not only the individual, but working as a team so that many aspects like the cancer care and as well as we have seen in the pandemic for the COVID management. In a bid of the grow that move forward, and we need to strengthen the public and private partnership so that in coming years the Goa can be the model state on the parameters of delivering the health care to the citizens. We have here amongst us the Dr. Anil D'Cruz, and who have been the pioneer in the fighting the cancer in the nationwide in more than 3 decades. Now he is heading the most prestigious organizations, which is an Union International Cancer Control, is based in Geneva, which has both the technical know-how and the financial strength to help the program for the cancer control. We also have glad to be receive your guidance and technical inputs in this regards. Thus, we will clear the roadmap to make the Goa model in the state for the cancer care and to how to manage the cancer in our country. We also have amongst us our Health Minister, Mr. Vishwajit Rane, who is always setting up the driving force for the public-private partnerships in all sectors. Besides the cancer treatment, the cancer education is equally important to overcome the fear of the disease. The fear of the treatment and the information of the disease profile, and most importantly, and when and what stage to meet the doctor. In this regards, the state government has conducted the 24+ mega medical camp in the last year. Nearly the 300 to 500 patients were screened from the non-communicable disease, including the cancer, in each of the camp. We have conducted these regular public education drives not only in the rural areas but also in the urban areas. Our department has been organizing the events like the mobile health camps, dental care awareness. Just recently, the dental van have started by our health department. We hope to develop the structured education format and for the community about the cancer and to take care even of all the citizens of Goa. My government is committed to support the initiatives, and finance financially and with the support of technical aspects, and we can make this successful. We have the many philanthropists in our states and who can also support such initiatives. With the support of all the international bodies like Dr. D'Cruz can guide us, and we can provide not only the education but the treatment and facilities for the rehabilitation of the patients and from the trauma and also. The government is providing the Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana, DDSSY scheme, and also the medical facilities for the resident of Goa for the treatment of the cancer in the state and outside the state also. I would like the private sector further investigate the high-end equipments like the robots, PET scan, etc. And this partnership is important so that we can together excel in our both efforts. The partnership between the government and private players can give the boost for the medical tourism in the state also. Finally, we need to remember that the driving force for every successful initiatives, the men and women who work tirelessly to make it happen. Hence, the support of all the doctors and will go a long way for making this successful. So already the health minister, we are taking the help of Dr. Anil D. Cruz. We have already set up the committee and who is always guiding us in this. We are starting up with as the health minister state, that we are starting up with the tertiary care center and also the diagnostic care center in future that will, for the early diagnosis, early treatment, that will lessen the number of the cancer patients and we can save the life. As Dr. Shekhar Sarkar said, and as the early diagnosis, we can save the organs also. With this, I think you all people will make aware to all the people in the state that will help for the awareness and for early diagnosis and early treatment for the people of the Goa. With this, I thank you one and all. I also thanks for Dr. Anil D. Cruz, Dr. Shekhar Sarkar for making this awareness campaign in the state. And with this, each and everyone will make aware for the early diagnosis, so the people can come and they can diagnose, they can take the treatment. That will only help for the patients. Thank you, one and all.
Cancer Day, a day that was conceptualized and led by the Union International for Cancer Control in Geneva. I am the president of the UICC. It's a very important day. This day was thought of by the UICC to create awareness about cancer, to improve education, to dispel myths and stigma. A lot of people have wrong beliefs about cancer. But most importantly, to inspire change among politicians, among people, among doctors, among press, to bring a change in cancer control programs. And that is the idea why we celebrate World Cancer Day. To keep cancer in the minds of people, you can prevent cancer. 2/3 of cancers are caused because of our lifestyle. Because we smoke, we drink, we are overweight, and we eat faulty food. As in today's program, we said a lot of patterns of cancer in Goa are lifestyle related. Some of the cancers are similar to cancers in the Western world. It's different from the rest of the country. So we urge people in Goa, I was just talking to your Chief Minister and Health Minister, to put together a good cancer control plan, have a good registry. We need to find out what is causing the cancers in Goa and target that so that our resources can be properly used. Goa is putting up a tertiary cancer facility, a big hospital. I'm part of the panel that will advise the government. We don't want patients to go from Goa to other parts of the country for treatment when Goa has the good infrastructure. So we're also looking at models where we'll have private-public partnership to benefit people from this region. So all in all, cancer is a disease that's increasing in numbers. We want people of the state to get world-class facilities at their doorstep at an affordable price, and that's why I'm here today to address the gathering.
Sir, just now you mentioned regarding the tertiary cancer hospital in Goa. You are one of the panel member of that.
Correct.
How the work is going on, progress? How is the progress?
So I'm not, actually we were putting it up when COVID came. So the entire thing has taken a backseat. But I just spoke to your Health Minister, Shri Vishwanath Rane. He's going to convene a meeting in the next couple of months and then we will take the progress ahead. So when it will be completed and how much will be the infrastructure outlay, I won't be able to tell you now till the meeting is convened.
Sir, how do you see the research work in Goa regarding cancer?
So Goa, there are some pockets of isolation that do research, but that's another area that I discussed with Chief Minister, Health Minister, some of your leading doctors, that more research needs to be done in Goa. You need not have research in a laboratory, which takes a lot of time to put a lot of cost. You can do simple clinical or epidemiological public health research. And like I told you, find out what causes the type of cancers Goa has is a type of research. And then we can take intervention steps to see that those cancers don't occur in future generations to come. So we are encouraging the government to put together cohort studies, field studies which will address this. More needs to be done in Goa.
So how's government response towards your idea?
Oh, your Chief Minister has been very, very positive. He has assured me that it will be taken forward. Shri Vishwanath Rane, I know well. When I was director at the Tata Hospital, I used to deal with him a lot, clearing bills of Goa patients, helping Goa patients. He is very, very dynamic as well. So I'm sure your previous Chief Minister, Shri Manohar Parrikar, also was very close to us. He also was very dynamic. I'm sure if you have the right political will, things will fall into place. Things have taken a backseat because of COVID, but COVID's not going to stay here forever. We are getting used to COVID. We've come around the problems of COVID, and now we'll concentrate on other diseases as well.
Thank you.
Thank you.
एक्झाम्पल ब्रेस्ट कॅन्सर ऑपरेशन फ्री आहा विच इज विल कॉस्ट अदरवायज 1 lakh रुपीज ऑर सो आमच्या हातून एंड इन प्रायवेट सेक्टर नॉट आय एम नॉट टॉकिंग गव्हर्मेंट प्रायवेट सेक्टरान फ्री आसा रेडियोथेरपी विच विल कॉस्ट एप्रोक्सिमेटली अराउंड 1.5 to 2 lakhs ती फ्री जाता किमोथेरपी सम पार्ट ऑफ द किमोथेरपी इज फ्री सो तुजो बिग चंक ऑफ एक्सपेन्सीस इज टेकन बाय द गव्हर्मेंट आनी लोक जर बेगीन आयले जाल्यार दे कॅन यूज दीस आमची DDSY स्कीम फॉर बेटरमेंट and DDSY जायना जाल्यार मेडिक्लेम आसा सी द ओनली स्टेट वेर सो मच ऑफ मनी इज पुट इवन इन गव्हर्मेंट सेक्टर फाल्यां कोणाक हर्सेप्टीन जाय विच इज कॉस्टिंग अबाउट क्वायट अ लॉट एका इंजेक्शनाक 50 दॅट ऑल्सो गव्हर्मेंट गिव्स फ्री नो गव्हर्मेंट गिव्स यू हर्सेप्टीन एंड ऑल दीस थिंग्स फ्री नो वेर इट इज गिवन ओनली गोवा वी आर गिविंग मॅक्झिमम बेनिफीट टू द पेशंट इन्क्लुडिंग प्रायवेट एंड पब्लीक पार्टिसिपेशन आय वॉन्टेड कशें म्हाका जाय कशें की गव्हर्मेंट शूड सीट विथ अस प्रायवेट सेक्टर बाबा तूं खंय पयशे घालूंक शकता where you can put money, where government can put money. See, Ekut population is very small, it is around 15 lakhs of population. For that, two machines of big, which is costing 15 crores of rupees and all, it's not financially viable. So suppose government सांगले हे तुम्ही machine घाला, हे government घालतो ना, then we can do that, we can invest money. Private sector, दुसरे बाकी health way सांगले आणि आम्ही हे घालू शकता, बाकी सांगतात आम्ही हे घालू शकता. Because one machine is sufficient for our load which is there because it is around 1,300 to 1,500 cases new. So it's not of this. I want him because he is a research oriented also. What I wanted actually to him, I am telling him now also, I wanted a good cohort study. Cohort study म्हणजे कितें गोंयान आमी we can select at random statistically significant 80,000 people and we study their diet, their blood, their genetics, their everything. Magir we will come to know actually what government can directives can be given to the people what to eat, what not to eat. आता आमी सगळे म्हणटा जंक फूड हू नोज वीच टायप ऑफ आमचे खारे आमी जेवता तातूंत त्रास जातले आनी कित्यान त्रास जातले मटन खाल्ल्यार त्रास जाता कित्याक हे समथींग वीच इज ऑलरेडी प्रूव्ड आसा पूण वाय गोवा गव्हर्मेंट आमचे कडेन इन ब्रेस्ट कॅन्सर इज इट बिकॉज ऑफ ओनली लेट मॅरेजीस लेस चिल्ड्रन आवर फर्टिलिटी रेट इज लेस जाल्यार वी हॅव टू फायंड आउट न्हय सी आमी आतां हवेनूच उलयतात बिकॉज वी नो द डेटा ऑफ वेस्टर्न वी डोंट नो हॅव अवर डेटा ओन डेटा एंड गोवा इज अ स्टेट वेर वी कॅन डू इट व्हेरी इझिली less amount of money. We may require just around 10 to 15 crores of which actually government can easily put. Jaila private sector कडसून सुद्धा participation करून we can take some money. But without that study, without the proper research, just एक hospital बांधले, थंय मशीनां घाली and treatment केलो. In the end, we don't know why it is being caused. What is the diet? What we should advise to the people? That is not going to come. So I want his help to do that study, research. Treatment wise, we have everything. We can get everything is there available today. We need a PET CT scan. Robotics is already coming in one of the hospitals. PET scan आम्ही मणिपाल हॉस्पिटल फाल्यां गव्हर्मेंटान सांगले बाबा तुम्ही घाला म्हणून वी विल पुट अँड अंडर DDSY ताणी जर सांगले की दिस वी आर कवरिंग दिस मच ऑफ अमाउंट एंड वी कॅन डू इट
म्हणजे बेसिकली सर कॅन्सर म्हटलं म्हाका लोक भियेता पयशांक सो गोंयान तरी तशी कांय परिस्थिती ना
इट इज अमेझिंगली चीप सी इफ यू कम लेट then it is a problem I tell you because more and more money is required because they are very costly new drugs. Now I have given one drug which is costing 4,50,000 in Bicholim I gave because he could not afford that buyer because तांकां कंपनी कडसून मेळ्ळें सवाय मेळटा मातशें तें करून तांकां 4.5 lakhs चे one injection and she has taken now 3 to 4 and she is feeling better. See, prices will come down over a period of time. पयलीं सगळें म्हारग आसता हळू because they have research and they have put in money in the company so they want to recover that money. But this is only for late. For young people, stage 1 and 2, I think is standard treatment which is available. It's very cheap. You can save the organ. A lot of benefits are there, and you can survive it. Almost 95% in breast cancer and only survival is stage 1 and 2.
गोंयांत सगळ्यांत चड ब्रेस्ट कॅन्सर.
Breast is highest in our colon cancer is highest. Athleto cancer my mountain because of our diet is more of non-vegetarian. Then we have least सगळ्यात कमी असा is cervical cancer because of good hygiene and good STD program of the government. So all these things are really putting up show, but change जायत असता. So I want him to help us out.
We are there to help. Goa can be a model
Model
state for other states in the country to